Hello everyone and thank you for joining us today. We are excited to present our research proposal titled The Relationship Between Entrepreneurship and Business Success Among Food and Beverage SMEs in Malaysia. We are Nur Ayani Farna binti Muhammad Imran and my colleague Nur Aisyah binti Baharun. Our supervisor for this project is Yang Mulia Prof. Dr. Hajar Raja Suzana Raja Kasim from the Faculty of Entrepreneurship and Business at University Malaysia, Kelantan. In this research, we aim to explore how various entrepreneurship influence the success of small and medium-sized enterprise, particularly in the food and beverage sector, which is crucial to the Malaysian economy. We look forward to sharing more details about our research. Okay, so this is presentation outline that consists introduction, literature review, and research methodology.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Baharun and my matrix number is A22B0022. And I will start the presentation with background. SME are vital to Malaysia economic growth, contributing significantly to job creation, revenue generation and GDP while promoting entrepreneurship and innovation. Malaysia SME face significant barriers such as limited financial resources, ineffective marketing strategies, insufficient technological adoption, and complex legal and administrative frameworks which hinder their growth and sustainability. The performance of SME in Malaysia is influenced by entrepreneurial traits and enterprise-specific factors, alongside the prevalent reliance on family investment and informal funding, which restrict scaling potential.
For our research, we taken a population from food and service from Banci Economy 2023. Why business success? Because business success is important because it drives growth, creates jobs, generates wealth, and allows organizations to innovate and solve problems benefiting both individuals and society.
Next, I will continue with the problem statement. First, often hindered by uncertainty, lack of resources, and the inability to adapt effectively to changing market dynamic. Second, limited financial resources, inadequate technological adoption, and operational ineffectiveness. Next, I will continue with research question and objective. The first question is, what are the main determinants of small and medium-sized business success in Malaysia, specifically with regard to marketing, capital availability, and technology adoption? Second, what effect do legislative framework and bureaucratic procedure have on the sustainability and operational effectiveness of SME in Malaysia? And lastly, what obstacles stand in the way of Malaysian SMEs implementing sustainable business practice, and how could these obstacles be overcome? The first objective is to examine the critical element influencing SME success in Malaysia, including marketing strategies, financial availability, and technological adoption, and to propose ways to maximize their impact on business performance. Second, to analyze the effect of legislative frameworks and bureaucratic process on SME operation in Malaysia, focusing on their role in either supporting or hindering sustainable growth. And the last one is to address challenges such as high innovation cost, fragmented stakeholder relationship, and inadequate policy execution by proposing actionable strategies and improving government policies and support system to enable sustainable long-term growth of Malaysia SMEs. Next, I will continue with limitation of the study. The first is study focus on 100 Indonesian SMEs which may not accurately represent the diverse economic and cultural characteristic of Malaysian SMEs, particularly in a multi-ethnic market and region with economy disparities. Second, provide theoretical insight and lack empirical data specific to Malaysia, limiting its practical applicability to the local SMEs context. Third one is previous studies fail to incorporate the impact of Malaysia-specific policy, such as the National Entrepreneurship Policy, which significantly influence SME growth and sustainability. And the last one is metric like the Global Innovation Index, cited in previous studies, may not capture Malaysia's unique regional challenges such as unequal access to green technologies and low awareness of sustainable practice among small business. Next, I will continue with significance of the study. The first one is purpose of the study. The research aimed to enhance the success and sustainability of Malaysian SMEs by addressing challenges like outdated technology, limited capital and insufficient government support, equipping them with strategies to become more resilient and sustainable. Second is practical application. It provides actionable insight for SMEs to adopt innovative and sustainable business practice, improve efficiency, and align with global market demand while advancing social and environmental goals. And the last one is policy impact. The study guides policymakers in creating reform to reduce bureaucratic hurdles, improve resources accessibility, and promote innovative, fostering an SME-friendly environment that benefit the broader economy. Is operational definition. For the entrepreneurial, proactive behaviour and strategic decision entrepreneurs make to discover, create and exploit opportunities which result in business establishment and growth. It is guided by framework like Effectuation Theory, emphasizing mean-driven decision, adaptability and leverage resources under uncertainty to achieve entrepreneurial goal. Next, business success. The achievement of organizational goals and sustained performance typically measured by financial performance, market position, and growth. It is influenced by the statistic use of resources and highlighted by the resources-based view, RBV, which emphasizes delivering unique, valuable, and inimitable assets for competitive advantage.
Business success as a dependent variable is defined as the achievement of strategic objectives that lead to long-term growth and profitability, while also benefiting stakeholders like customers, employees, and communities. This definition encompasses both financial metrics such as revenue growth and profitability and non-financial factors including customer satisfaction and brand reputation. According to Ahmad and Sid 2012, a comprehensive understanding of business success is crucial for evaluating the effectiveness of SMEs in Malaysia. By examining these dimensions, we can better assess how entrepreneurship contributes to overall business success. Next is independent variables. Entrepreneurship (EA) is defined as the proactive step and decision taken by individual or organization to identify, develop and capitalize on market opportunities, facilitating the establishment and growth of new businesses. According to Khalid ECIL 2016, EA includes tasks such as recognizing business opportunities, gathering resources, and implementing strategies to meet entrepreneurial goals. Characterized by a blend of creation and discovery processes, EA involves iterative decision-making and adaptability to navigate uncertainties in the business environment. This framework positions EA as a crucial independent variable in our study, influencing business success (BS) amongst SMEs. Our theoretical framework centers on the relationship between entrepreneurship (EA) and business success (BS). EA, informed by effectuation theory, serves as the independent variable, emphasizing proactive decision-making and resource utilization. BS, the dependent variable, encompasses metrics like profitability and market share. We propose that effective entrepreneurship positively influence business success, highlighting the interplay between internal resources and external opportunities. This framework guides our research, aiming to uncover how these elements interact to drive success in Malaysian SMEs. Next, we will discuss the resource-based view theory. RBV is a strategic management framework introduced by J. Barney in 1991. The RBV posits that a firm's internal resources and capacity are the primary drivers of competitive advantage and business success. Resources are classified into two main categories. Number one is tangible resources, which is equipment and financial capital. And number two is intangible resources like brand reputation, intellectual property, and organizational culture. In essence, the RBV encourages firms to conduct a true analysis of their internal strengths and weaknesses. By aligning their strategies with their unique resources, firms can enhance performance and effectively navigate market complexities. Now, let's explore effectuation theory developed by Saraswati in 2001. This framework emphasizes a flexible approach to entrepreneurship, contrasting with traditional goal-oriented methods. Effectuation is based on key principles. Number one is means-driven logic. Entrepreneurs use their existing resources, who they are, what they know, and what they know to create opportunities. Number two is affordable loss. They focus on what they can afford to lose, encouraging calculated risk-taking. Number three is leveraging contingencies. Unexpected events are seen as opportunities or innovation. In summary, effectuation theory empowers entrepreneurs to navigate uncertainty, fostering creativity and adaptability essential for success in unpredictable environments. In our research, we examined the relationship between entrepreneurial action (EA) and business success (BS) in Malaysian SMEs. EA, based on effectuation theory, involves proactive decision-making and resource leveraging in uncertain environments. We hypothesize a strong positive link between EA and BS, indicating the effective entrepreneurial action enhance business outcome like profitability and market share. This study aims to provide insight into how specific entrepreneurial behaviours contribute to SME success in a competitive landscape. Research methodology. In our study, we adopt a positive research paradigm emphasizing objective reality and the hypothetical deductive method. This approach allows us to systematically identify and describe the key variables related to our research problem and objective. Quantitative research method, which facilitates the collection of numerical data for statistical analysis and generalization across a larger population. This focus enables us to draw meaningful conclusions applicable beyond our sample. Our research design is descriptive correlation, which helps us gather feedback on the relationship between variables. By analyzing descriptive data, we can uncover patterns that enhance our understanding of the dynamic influence between entrepreneurial action and business success.
Next is plan for data collection, conducted using SPSS for descriptive statistics and SMART PLS for structural equation modeling (SEM) to test the relationship between EA and BS. The database, the primary data sources will be the response collected through online survey, which is Google Form, and article selection, article detailing the use of structural equation modeling (SEM) and descriptive statistics for analyzing business data, particularly in the context of SMEs, will be considered. Article discussing survey design, data collection and sampling technique, which is novel and purposive sampling, are also important. Next is plan for data analysis. The study will employ both quantitative and qualitative analysis technique to provide a comprehensive understanding of the factors influencing the sustainability and success of SME in Malaysia. Objective. The primary objective of the study is to explore the relationship between various factors, which is entrepreneurial activity, financial and availability, market strategy, technology adoption, stakeholder cooperation and government support, and the success and sustainability of SMEs in Malaysia. The focus of this study is on understanding the key factors that drive the success and sustainability of SMEs in Malaysia. Next, I will continue with theoretical contribution. The first is, the study will contribute to the resource-based view (RBV) paradigm by exploring how resources configuration influence business performance in Malaysia. It also integrates effectuation theory by examining how resources management and entrepreneurial action (EA) impact corporate result, addressing gaps in current literature. Next, the research challenge static assumption about resources and entrepreneurial predictability, emphasizing the interaction of dynamic resources configurations and entrepreneurial actions to derive competitive advantage, particularly in emerging market like Malaysia. And last one, the study highlight the importance of entrepreneurial and adaptive thinking of the success of SMEs in fast-paced industries. It will establish a foundation for future research on RBV and effectuation theory in different geographic and economic contexts, fostering a deeper understanding of their practical application.
In conclusion, our study integrates effectuation theory and the resource-based view theory to explore the relationship between entrepreneurship and business success among Malaysian SMEs. Effectuation theory emphasizes adaptability and resource utilization in uncertain environments, while the RBV focuses on leveraging unique resources for competitive advantage. Together, these theories create a robust framework for understanding how entrepreneurial behaviours influence business outcome. This integration highlights the importance of strategic resource management in achieving success within a dynamic Malaysian market. Ultimately, this theoretical foundation aims to provide action insight for enhancing SMEs' performance. Thank you.